Hi guys. Today in this video we're going to see the chapter maintenance and reliability, but I'm going to cover maintenance. That's what going to come out for your final. Just focus on this. Okay, you can go through the whole slide, but I'm just giving you some hint here on example 5. So for me to start on maintenance here, just I want to go through the example 5 here. Okay, just you guys have a read first on this example 5. So basically they're telling here the number of breakdowns and number of month that breakdown is happening here. All right, and each time the breakdown happened, they lost an average of $300. One alternative is to purchase a service contract for preventive maintenance. Okay, if they purchase a service contract, breakdown will still happen. Okay, it reduced by one. Okay, it reduced by one breakdown per month. Okay, and the price of the service is for the maintenance is 150. I suppose they're asking us whether should we proceed with the contract. Okay, preventive maintenance contract or no. So let us look at this. Now for this part I'm going to put a table here. 0, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to find the probability of each time the number of breakdowns. So in this case probability is 2 over 20, 8 over 20, 6 over 20, and 4 over 20. Basically you can write this in terms of what do you call a decimal. Okay, this is decimal 0.1, I guess. Let me write this one. 8 divided by 20 is 0.4. 6 divided by 20 is 0.3, and 4 divided by 20 is 0.2. Okay, so I think for expected value you guys have learned in statistics. Okay, EX value is summation of x and the probability. So same thing we are going to do here. Okay, for us to find the expected value, expected value basically is a mean. On average, what is the breakdown per month? So here I'm going to write here 0 times 0.1 plus 1 times 0.4 plus 2 plus 0.3 and plus 3 plus 0.2. So if you do this all together, you compute this, you should get 1.6. So on average each month, okay, this is each month, each month 1.6 breakdown is happening. Okay, maybe they have computed here, you can see here 1.6 breakdown is happening. Now if 1.6 breakdown happening, each time the breakdown happen, how much it costs? 300. So the expected breakdown cost, okay, expected breakdown cost is, you take the 1.6, each time the breakdown happen 300, you multiply 300 and you will get 480 per month. So this much is costing for you to face the breakdown. Okay, but now we know that if we take the preventive maintenance contract here, the fees is, if we take the preventive maintenance contract, we have to pay them 150, but the good part is the breakdown is reduced by 1 now. So the breakdown is reduced by 1. So what is the cost if we take the contract thing? Okay, now the expected value is not anymore 1.6. Okay, the cost preventive, we call is preventive maintenance cost. Okay, you take just now the 1. Okay, no more the just now the our expected value is 1.6. Now you take 1, multiply with 300, that is the cost. And then for us to hire this contract, we have to plus another 150. So this will cost us 450 per month. This is cheaper. Okay, this 450 is cheaper than without the contract. Okay, so we can pay 150, and at the same time we can reduce the number of breakdown each month. So since this is cheaper, our decision is, you can see here, because it is less cheaper overall to hire a maintenance service firm, that do not should hire a service firm now. Okay, we should hire a maintenance firm. That's how you compare the preventive maintenance cost with the expected breakdown cost. Okay, so any kind of, you can try this related problem later, this one from here, and any problem you can ask me later. First of all, you find the expected value and find the actual cost. Okay, expected value multiply with the cost, and that is the actual cost. And then you see what is the preventive measurement. Okay, preventive measure and the cost. Okay, if you take that preventive measure, is it going to reduce the breakdown? Sometimes they give you in percentage, sometimes they give you the breakdown itself, number itself. Let's say they give you let's say they say, if you take this contract, preventive maintenance contract, your expected value will reduce by 30 percentage. Okay, 30 percentage. So what is the new breakdown here? You multiply 0.3 times 1.6, that is your new breakdown. Okay, now sometimes they give you in percentage, reduce or increase, they won't give you the number. Say the way you have to find the number. If they say 50% reduced by 50%, then you multiply here by 0.5, that is a new breakdown. If you take the contract, it reduce. Okay, and then multiply with the cost, and then of course you will incur some cost for the service. Okay, for the preventive maintenance service, for them to come and work, you have to pay for them, and then you will get a cost here and compare. If it is more than the expected breakdown cost, you don't take that service. Okay, it's burdensome for you. If it is less, then you can consider taking the service. So that is regarding maintenance chapter. Hope you guys understand. You can try do more exercise here. If any doubt, you can ask me. Alright, that's all for today. Take care then. Bye.